Hello guys, welcome back for another video, service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset the Mercedes GLC 2018 model. We did some service for the car and I want to show you how to service reset this manually. As always, before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. There are a lot of cars I reset it manually and you can watch them all. If you like them, you can subscribe to our channel and thumbs up for good videos. Before we start, we turn the ignition off and then turn the ignition on to the first position. Yes, that's this one. Then we use these two buttons, the answer button and the OK button. That's this one, and first press the answer button on the right side and right away the OK button on the left side, like this. Keep pressing that till a menu appears on the dashboard, like this. Yes, then it's important to go to setup by the arrow buttons on the left side, these buttons. Confirm with OK. Then it says we have to turn the ignition on to the second position. So turn the ignition on the second position, then the menu appears. Yes. I did a complete service. That's the bottom one. Confirm with OK. Confirm service again. Oil grade, depends on which oil grade you use. There are multiple. I did this one, so I'm going to use this one. And another confirmation and another confirmation. Yes, once you have done this, you can go back and watch. One moment here. Here, and it says the next service is due to 15,000 kilometers. Thanks for watching. If you liked our videos, thumbs up please, and subscribe for more videos. We have more than 90 videos on our channel, and if you have any comments, use the comment area. Thanks, see you next time, bye bye.